I just come to be the one who understand that he without sin cast the first stone. I just come to say to my daughter that I love you, mama, and mama got you in the good times, in the bad times, and in the in-between times. I may not appreciate the way you live. I don't like the things you do. I don't like the path you have chosen. But if I love you one more time, I can't love you no more. Your mama love you. Your mama got you. And your mama will always gonna be here for you. I love you.
Love you too.
I will never stop praying for you. And I know that I have other warriors in my corner. And we're gonna pray you right through to the gates of glory. I pronounce over your life this morning that God is gonna do a new thing in your life. It may not come tomorrow. It may not come the next week or the next month. But everything takes time. But I know some people say God is slow, but he's sure. God is never slow. He's an on-time God. And why I can't reach you, my prayers will protect you. God will cover you. And I pray that you seek divine intervention before it's too late. Your mama love you. I got you, kid. And we're going to make it. We're going to get through this. And this is me and my baby. And I just want to tell every other mother, call your children wherever they are right now and let them know you love them. Call your children and say to them, in spite of, irregardless of, I don't like the company. I don't like the weed smoking. I don't like the life you're living. I don't like the promiscuous ways. I don't like all of the other things. But I love you because you're my child. I don't like what you're doing. I don't appreciate it. But I love you. And I'm going to be here. And I'm going to pray you through. I want a mother to stand in with me this morning in prayer. I want a sister to stand up with me while I stand with you to pray your children through. Go call your children and say, I listened to a life today, and even though I told you I'm done with you because you're a disgrace, you're an embarrassment, you're tearing down the family name, I want to come back and try again. I want to stay with you. I want to help you fight the good fight. I want to restore you. I want to teach you over again. I want to try to raise you afresh. I want to show you new morals and new principles. I want to draw you closer to God. I want to love you like I love you at birth. I want to be the mother that you need. I want to be the rock that you run to. I want to be your shield. I want to be your friend. I want to be that safe place for you in the time of trouble and in the time of storm. Parents, pick up the phone and call your children. We can't make the world and the devil love them. We can't turn we back and make the devil take them, because when we turn we back, them not have nothing for fear. If even half a mother, a quarter of a mother is more than no mother, because at the end of the day, quarter of the child is gonna be saying, you know what, my mommy, because my mom, I can't. Give your child some form. Hold on, Shako, let go. Give your child some form of hope. Give your child some form of hope. Love your babies. You make them, you don't make their minds. And trust me, the devil is a liar. This one you will not get. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I declare and I decree, Satan, you lie, you lose, you will be null, you will be void. This one, this fruit of my womb, Satan, you not get it. In the name of Jesus. You may think you're winning. You may be gaining a couple grounds. You may make a few steps. You may derail progress. You may have caused things to go on wrong. You may have interfered with the natural flow of things. But I speak this morning, I speak with authority given to me by the Most High God, that my child, and not just my child, the child of every parent present here this morning, it will be well. Elaine, your son will be well. My daughter will be well. Every other person's child or children will be well. Satan, you lose again. I am gonna love my daughter like a mother loves her baby. I'm gonna protect my daughter like a lion protect their young ones. I will not walk away. I will not turn my back. I will never not care. Disappointed, hurt, of course, every day, all day. But I will never stop praying because I know the value I have instilled in this child. I know the child that I have raised, and I know the God that I serve. And the God that I know and the God that I serve will not let me pray meaningless prayer and not answer a prayer. Trust and believe when I tell you, you're gonna see what God do here. And if he can do it here, he will do it in your situation. Share the life. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This one is one to share. This is one for the books. And this is me and my mama. She may look like big woman too, no? She talk big, she go on tough. But look, you see, this is mama's little baby. And nothing like a mother love. Nothing like a mother's love. Pearl Tingle, let me tell you something. You see this family of mine? When me tell you we know how to rock ever. When me tell you we know how to storm the gate, ask the people what we pray for. And we're going to pray for our own. If we can pray other people out of theirs, we can pray ours out of it. And prayer and fasting is exactly what it needs. And Pearl, that's what we are use. Prayer and fasting. Faith, it we are use. We not let go. We not move from the feet. We not stop call God's name till he acknowledge we. Because let me tell you, breakthrough will come, change will come, deliverance will come. And not just for me, not just for Tenil, not just for Shakur, but for you, for your children, for your sibling, for your parents, and for your spouse, and for your finances. This morning, let me just let loose in the atmosphere. Deliverance, deliverance, deliverance. If you're here and this life touch you, if it mean anything to you, please hit the share button and type in the comment section right now, deliverance. If you're here and this life touch you in any way, shape or form, hit the share button, tag a friend name and type in the comment section, deliverance. I love you all. You stay safe where you are. Hey Merlin, hey Fitzroy, you stay safe wherever you are. Thanks for sharing, Auntie Joan. Prayer where you use and win. Alright, continue to trust God. And that wasn't what we were here for. We were just telling you guys I'm here in Florida doing my thing, moving about. You know, I was here last April with my daughter. Y'all saw us at the waterfall. I hadn't seen my daughter since last April. It's been a minute, and nothing like a mother's love and a mother's counseling to help a child. Bless up yourself, Auntie Dana, to do right. And I just want to say to my daughter, I got you. And we got this. We're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. Get the sister. Hug your sister. How you feel about the sister? Alright. Okay. That's my son and we're going to work on her, okay? Tell the sister how you love her. Tell her how you love her.
I love you very much, and it really hurt me when you did this to me. You really hurt me a lot to know that my sister can't come and see me.
She will come and see us soon, and we go come and see her all the time, okay? So she'll come and see us soon. Anyway, I'm gonna run. I'm gonna go in the mall.